Hello everybody, it's Joe with Bug and Weed Mart. Welcome back. We have our tip of the month, and the tip of the month this month is involving spiders and how to control spiders. And it's as simple really as finding their webs and following where they walk. So what we're going to do with spiders is we're going to focus on using a spray product, using our sprayer. And at Bug and Weed Mart we've got a broad selection of very good spider killers, and they'll kill many other insects as well. But what I usually think about when I'm spraying for spiders is above me. I'm thinking about joints where the exterior wall and the underside of my patio are. I'd also look to spray any of the columns that are supporting the patio lid, as well as around light fixtures. And of course we're walking backwards when we're doing that so as not to spray ourselves. But the chemicals, the way that they're designed is they're microencapsulated. So after you apply the chemical, it's active and it stays active for a very long time, releasing more chemical over time in microscopic portions. So these little feet of little spiders going across their webs, going across where you sprayed, are going to pick up this chemical. So it's really important, spray the places I talked about as well as spray their spider webs. Wait 4 or 5 days later, then take a broom or something to knock down those webs. If the spider webs come back, spray them again. Sometimes it does take a second effort in certain areas, but spiders with these products can easily be controlled. Come on in and see us. We'll show you which one you can use for your place. The cost of doing it is very inexpensive and completely safe.